Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adi Bowo. I would like to present about project-based learning in writing. Project-based learning in writing. Project-based learning is an instructional approach that revolves about students actively exploring real-world problems and challenges. It involves students working on a project over an extended period, allowing them to investigate, research, and ultimately create a solution, product, or presentations that address the problem or question posed. 4K design principles. First, purposeful and authentic purpose, purposeful and authentic experience. Effective PGBL requires purposeful and authentic experience generated by students engaging in relevant questions. A main question should drive a unit of study, and that question should be feasible to consider, worthwhile, contextual, meaningful, and ethical. From Christ and Sin 2014. Depth integration with course content. Projects will feature deep integration with course content and be rooted in course subject areas, helping to deepen and build students' knowledge of important topics. Meaningful and supportive relationships. Meaningful and supportive relationships matter in education generally and definitely with project-based learning. Evidence-based teaching and assessment practice. Learning from research and relying on defense about what work is essential. Learning characteristic based on project or project-based learning or PGBL. Characteristic based on project or project-based learning is learners learners make decisions about a framework. Students are involved on decisions making process related to the structure or approach to their learning activities. And second, there is an issue or challenge posed to learner. Students are presented with real-world problems or challenges that form the basis of their learning activities. Third, learners design the process to determine solutions or problem or challenge given. Students play an active role in designing the process to find solutions or address the given problems or challenge. And then learners are collaboratively responsible for access and management information to solve problems. Collaboration is emphasized and students take responsibility for accessing and managing information collectively to solve problems. And then continuous evaluation process. Ongoing assessment and evaluation are integrated into the learning process rather than being confined to specific points in time. And then learners periodically reflect on activities already in progress. Students engage in regular reflection on the activities they are undertaking, promoting metacognition and a deeper understanding of their learning process. The end product of learning activism is qualitative. The focus is on the quality of the end of products or outcome resulting from the learning activities rather than just completion. And the last, the learning situation is extremely tolerant of mistake and change. A supportive environment is created where mistakes are seen as part of the learning process. Flexibility is embraced, allowing for change and adaptation is as needed. In summary, despite act like a student center, active learning approach that encourages critical thinking, collaboration, and reflection throughout the learning journey. And then step 4, project-based learning. Start with the essential questions. Design a plan for the project. Third, create a schedule. And the fourth, monitor the student and the progress of the project, assess the outcome, evaluate the experience. The implementation PGBL in writing recontext. Pre-activity. On pre-activity, duration is 10 minutes. The teacher gives greetings. The teacher invites students to start learning by praying together. The teacher checks student attendance. And then main activity. On main activity, duration is 6 minutes. Start with the essential questions. Decide a plan for the project. Create a schedule. On closing, monitor the student. Monitoring student the progress of the project. Assess the outcome. Evaluate the experience. Duration is 10 minutes. Implementation PGBL in writing recontext. On main activity, start with essential questions. The teacher asks several questions related to the material to be discussed. Students answer questions given by teachers. The teacher shows several photos or actresses and actors. Students are asked to give an opinion about the picture. The teacher says that students will create a mini magazine project for the material discussed at that time. Number 2, designing a plan for project. Students are asked to form a group consisting of 4 people. Students are given an explaining about the project to be carried out. Students discuss their project, their experience on the study tour. For example, their experience on the study tour. Students are asked to actively provide suggestions and input on what will be described in their groups. Number 3, creating a schedule. Students and teachers discuss project deadlines. Students are shown examples of mini magazines that have been made by teachers. Implementations PGBL in writing recontext. The teacher facilitates students to ask questions regarding the material that has been given. The teacher facilitates students to make conclusions related to the material that has been studied. The teacher tells the next material for next meeting. The teacher closes the class with closing greetings. Assessment technique. Attitude, knowledge, skill, remedial enrichment. B. Remedial program. Remedial tests are given to students who have not achieved a standard of minimum completeness. Number C. Enrichment program. Enrichment is given to students who achieve a standard of minimum completeness of material depending. Benefits. Increasing student motivation to learn, encouraging students' ability to do important work comprehensively, improve problem-solving abilities and make students more active and successful in solving complex problems, increasing student collaboration to develop and practice communication skill, improve student skill in managing learning resources, and practice in organizing projects, and making allocation of time and other resources such as equipment to complete assignment. Providing learning experience that involve students in a complex way and are designed to develop according to the real world. Involve students to learn to take information and show the knowledge they have there, then implement in the real world. Create a fun learning atmosphere so that students and educators enjoy to learning project-based learning. Thank you. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.